Hey, what's up everybody? Small updates today. This is my Harbor Freight parts washer here. I took it, went to Harbor Freight, got one of these movers dollies so I can roll this around the shop. It won't be in the way. It's pretty heavy with liquid loaded up. I painted the top black. This is what the inside looks like. I've previously used it before on some other projects, but all I have to do now is go get me some new fluid and some plumbing for the drain plug. Then I'll be able to start using it to clean up this TH400 I'm about to rebuild. This is the rebuild kit I decided to order for my 400 transmission. The HD TH400 is actually Summit Racing brand kit you see here, but there's only a couple different manufacturers that make it. So this is an Alto brand. So we'll open it up, check out the contents here. These are all the valve body gaskets, rubber O-rings, lip seals, pan gasket. Got an invoice here. Here we have some more sealing rings. We set these to the side. Here we got all the different bushings that we need in order to replace all the bushings on that transmission. They came with the kit. Have one of the bands with the kit. I already purchased 2 bands anyway, so I'll probably keep this one and put it up as a spare and just use the ones that I purchased separately. Here we got the front and the rear seal for the transmission. One of these goes on the torque converter, the other one goes at the end of the tail shaft. This is the transmission oil filter, sits in the bottom of the pan in the transmission. And here all the solid steel plates and the friction plates. On the friction plates you can see the grooves here. These grooves provide friction, make the transmission grip and shift gears. So getting ready to get started on this rebuild as soon as I get some parts washer fluid.